Did you know there's a way to make math your superpower in everyday life? Most people think of math as something you only need in school. But what if I told you that there are simple tricks that can make math easy and fun? And not only that, these tricks can save you time, make you smarter, and even impress your friends. Today we're diving into 10 easy math tricks you can use every day. Let's kick things off with a situation we've all been in. Imagine you're splitting a bill at a restaurant. Instead of pulling out your phone to calculate, what if you could do it instantly in your head? That's where our first trick comes into play, the rule of dividing by 5. To divide any number by 5, simply double the number and divide by 10. For example, to divide 45 by 5, double 45 to get 90 and then just slide the decimal over to get 9. See? It's that easy. Moving on, ever struggled to figure out a tip quickly? Let's talk about multiplying by 15%. To give a 15% tip, divide the total bill by 10 and then add half of that amount to itself. So if your bill is $60, a tenth of that is $6. Add half, which is $3, and you get a $9 tip. This trick keeps you from doing complicated math and gets the tip out fast. Now let's get a bit more everyday useful with the thirds trick. Say you want to split something into thirds. Most find this intimidating, but it's simple. To find a third of a number, multiply by 10 and divide by 3. For instance, a third of 24, multiply by 10 to get 240, then divide by 3 to find 80. Slide back the decimal to get 8.0. Who knew, right? But what about shopping discounts? Here's how to easily calculate discounts without missing a beat. If something is 25% off, that's the same as taking a quarter off the price. So for a $40 item, half of that is $20 and half again is $10. Take away $10 from $40 and your sale price is $30. It's as simple as having numbers. Next, let's tackle a bigger challenge. Ever had trouble figuring out percentages? Instead of getting bogged down, flip the numbers. Finding 6% of 50 sounds tough, but what about 50% of 6? That's just 3. Flipping numbers simplifies the task immensely. Now for those times you need to multiply big numbers. Imagine multiplying 98 by 97. Seems hard, right? Here's the trick. Take 100 as a reference point. Subtract 100, 98 to get 2 and 100, 97 to get 3. Then subtract either one of these from 100 to get 97 and multiply the differences, 2 and 3, to get 6. Your answer is 9506. This trick uses the convenience of round numbers to simplify multiplication. But let's not forget those pesky fractions. Adding fractions can be a nightmare, but what if I told you there's an easy way? To add fractions that have different denominators, simply cross-multiply and add the results, then divide by the product of the denominators. Sounds complex, but it's a lot simpler in practice. All right, nearing the end, but not without touching on a classic, the 9 times table finger trick. To multiply any single digit by 9, hold both hands in front of you. If you're multiplying 9 by 4, put down your 4th finger. You have 3 fingers before the downed finger and 6 after, making 36. Amazing how your own hands can be a calculator. Lastly, let's tackle squaring numbers. Think squaring large numbers is hard? Here's a trick for squaring numbers that end in 5. Take the number, ignore the 5, and multiply what's left by the next higher number. So, for 35 squared, multiply 3 by 4, the next higher number, to get 12, and simply add 25 to the end. So, 35 squared is 1225. Math doesn't have to be scary or complicated. With these tricks, you can handle everyday math tasks faster and more confidently. Now I want to hear from you. Which trick did you find most useful? Or do you have a math hack of your own? Drop a comment below, hit that like button if you learned something new today, and share this video with friends who might find these tricks helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Remember, math is not just about numbers, it's about thinking in smarter ways. And with these tricks up your sleeve, you're ready to tackle the day with a bit more ease and a lot more fun. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.